Hey everyone, today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Wera is known for producing high-quality, innovative tools, and the 8009 Zyklop Pocket Set is no exception. This 13-piece Imperial set showcases Wera's commitment to precision and durability. The Zyklop ratchet mechanism is incredibly smooth and robust, providing excellent torque and control. The included bits are also top-notch, made from high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. What sets this set apart is its compact size. It's designed to be easily portable, making it ideal for professionals who need to carry their tools on the go, or for anyone who wants a convenient set for quick repairs around the house. If you appreciate well-made tools and are willing to invest in quality, the Wera 8009 Zyklop Pocket Set is a great choice. Tired of hand cramps from endless cutting? The Veloxo power scissors are a game changer. With a blazing fast 10,000 RPM motor, they slice through everything from cardboard and leather to carpets and even felt like butter. Seriously, it takes so much strain off your hands, making crafting and DIY projects a breeze. Safety is key too. The Veloxo scissors have a smart safety switch. They only run when you hold it down, stopping instantly when released. Plus, the ergonomic, one-button design makes cutting smooth and efficient. The long-lasting battery is another win. A full charge gives you 3-4 hours of continuous cutting power, and it comes with its own charger. Just remember not to use them while charging. Being cordless and lightweight, these 3.6-volt scissors offer fantastic maneuverability. No more tangled cords. The comfortable grip and ambidextrous design ensure a smooth cutting experience for everyone. Looking for a versatile little cutting tool? This mini circular saw packs a punch with a no-load speed of 3,400 RPM, making quick work of various materials. Its 4.5-inch blade, easily swapped with the included hex key, comes with two options: a 24-tooth wood blade and a 60-tooth metal blade. It offers a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 11/16" at 90 degrees and 1 to 1/8" at 45 degrees. Perfect for miters, bevels, framing, and edging. The adjustable angle guide adds even more cutting versatility. Plus, a built-in laser guide ensures precise, straight cuts every time. The comfortable, soft grip handle minimizes vibration and improves control. And for a cleaner workspace, a vacuum adapter lets you connect a shop vac to suck away sawdust as you cut. Just remember to double-check the size before purchasing and use the correct blade for the material you're cutting, especially when working with metals. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Need a reliable way to fasten things? This Rivet nut toolkit is a solid choice. It comes with 7 interchangeable mandrels and 100 rivet nuts, all neatly organized in a tough carrying case. What sets this kit apart is the quality of the materials. The mandrels are made from heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, which makes them much stronger and more durable than those found in kits with carbon steel mandrels. With 6 different mandrel sizes included, you'll be well equipped for a variety of projects. Changing mandrels is surprisingly easy. Thanks to a smart design and clear instructions, you can do it by hand. The tool itself is designed for comfortable use, with ergonomic handles that provide excellent leverage, reducing strain. Its compact shape also makes it ideal for working in tight spaces. The rugged case keeps everything protected and prevents loss or damage. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Let's talk about the Drizzle D1 LVLP spray gun. Right out of the box, it's clear this thing is built for user-friendliness. The body has clearly marked scales and labels, so you're not fumbling around trying to figure things out. Plus, they've included a quick start guide, a detailed manual, and even some helpful videos to get you spraying like a pro in no time. What's really cool is that the D1 kit comes with pretty much everything you need to get going. We're talking pressure regulators, oil-water separators, and a selection of the most commonly used nozzle sizes. You can literally unpack it and start tackling projects right away. Performance-wise, the D1 delivers exceptional paint atomization and really efficient transfer. This translates to a smooth, professional-looking finish with minimal effort. And a bonus? It helps you save paint and be a little kinder to the environment. Whether you're working on cars, furniture, or a DIY project around the house, this sprayer is a great fit. Ever tried wrestling a heavy door into place solo? It's a recipe for frustration. That's where the door stud comes in. This ingenious tool lets you install doors single-handedly, keeping them perfectly positioned and away from those easily dinged interior walls. Specifically designed for home use, the Pro Series door stud can seriously slash your installation time, potentially cutting it in half. The door stud's clever vertical adjustability lets you fine-tune its position in 3 directions, making pre-installation leveling a breeze. Beyond just convenience, the door stud adds a layer of safety. By holding the door securely freestanding, it minimizes the risk of damage to the door itself, the surrounding walls, and most importantly, you. It makes home improvement safer and more efficient. Built tough with a steel frame, a simple one-action clamp, and comfortable soft grip handles, the door stud is ready for even the toughest jobs, all while saving you precious time. Forget fumbling with traditional tape measures. The T1 Tomahawk contractor-grade tape is a game changer. Its self-calibrating design delivers accuracy down to a hair. We're talking beyond 1/30th inch. But the real magic lies in its tech. A side-mounted e-paper display remembers your measurements, letting you view, organize, and even delete them as needed. No more scribbled notes or lost numbers. Plus, a built-in, fine-width green laser projects from the front, making alignment and marking a breeze. Need to find the center of something? No problem. The Tomahawk's quick-action menu lets you toggle between internal, relative, and center-finding measurements, and easily switch between inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters. It even handles fractional inches. And for seamless collaboration, it connects wirelessly to the Rock JobSite app. This isn't just a tape measure, it's a whole new level of precision and efficiency. Forget fumbling with inaccurate stud finders. The ProSensor M150 boasts a whopping 9 sensors. That's way more than the 1 or 2 you find in typical models. This multi-sensor approach makes it incredibly accurate, practically eliminating frustrating false positives. The M150 can detect studs up to 1.5 inches deep, and its clever LED display shows you both the center and edges of the stud at the same time. This is a game changer for precision hanging and mounting. Whether it's a single stud, a double, or even a weirdly placed one, the M150 reveals it all. What's even better? It's super easy to use. No complicated calibration is needed. Just press and hold the button to start scanning. Unlike some finicky stud finders that need to be started off a stud, the M150 can begin scanning anywhere on the wall, even directly over a stud. It automatically adjusts to different depths, materials, and wall textures, making finding studs through drywall or sheetrock a breeze. Plus, it has live wire detection for added safety. It runs on standard AAA batteries. Looking for a solid gift for the DIYer in your life? Or maybe you're a woodworker yourself seeking a reliable tool? These 90-degree corner clamps are seriously impressive. Crafted from a robust, heat-treated aluminum alloy, they're built to last, resisting rust and wear like a champ. With a maximum clamping range of around 3.74 inches and a jaw depth of 1.4 inches, these clamps are surprisingly versatile. They can handle everything from wood and metal to glass and acrylic. Think cabinet making, picture framing, or any project needing a precise 90-degree angle. They're a real game changer for simplifying woodworking projects. What's really clever is the single-handle, two-way rotating jaw. This feature allows you to clamp pieces of varying thicknesses together at a perfect right angle, ensuring a super accurate hold. No more struggling to keep everything aligned. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Let me tell you, this winch is a beast. Powered by a serious DC 48-volt 1296-watt brushless motor, it yanks a solid 1,000 pounds with a single line and doubles that to a whopping 2,000 pounds with a double line. Think serious pulling power for forestry work, getting your truck unstuck on a hunting trip, or tackling tough off-road trails. Built tough with steel gears and a brushless motor that just doesn't quit, it's rated to perform even in freezing 30°C temps. Plus, it's designed for minimal upkeep, which is a huge bonus. They've thought of everything. You get a 2Ah Li-ion battery, charger, a 100-foot low-stretch rope, and a strong tree strap. The instant start button is super handy for quick operation. Whether you're in the woods, the garden, off-roading, or even doing light construction, this winch is ready to go. It's built to handle tough conditions and deliver consistent power for all your outdoor and work projects. Tired of wrestling with your miter saw? This workbench is a game changer. It provides a rock-solid platform for precise cuts every single time. The stainless steel frame is seriously tough, holding up to 400 pounds without a wobble even under heavy use. What's really clever is the adjustable mounting system. It easily accommodates various miter saws and other power tools, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, with its built-in handle and large 10-inch wheels, moving this workstation around is a breeze. But it's more than just a miter saw stand. This portable table also doubles as a fantastic general-purpose workbench for all sorts of DIY projects. You can even use it for handy tool storage when it's not in sawing action. It's a truly versatile addition to any workshop.